Welcome back to Motor Vibe, your ultimate destination for the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the world of motorcycles. If you are a true biking enthusiast, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned because today, we've got something truly special to talk about: the return of a legend. Yes, you heard that right. Yamaha has officially brought back the RX 100 for 2025 and it's already setting the motorcycling world on fire. The legend returns, Yamaha RX 100 2025 edition. For decades, the Yamaha RX 100 has been more than just a motorcycle, it's been an emotion, a symbol of speed, power, and timeless style. Originally launched in the 1980s, it ruled Indian roads with its raw stroke power and iconic exhaust note. Fast forward to 2025, Yamaha has finally decided to resurrect this legend, but with a modern twist that blends nostalgia with next-gen engineering. Design and styling, retro meets modern. The 2025 Yamaha RX 100 proudly carries forward the spirit of the original design: sleek tank lines, classic round headlamp, and minimalist side panels. However, it now features modern elements like LED lighting, a fully digital instrument cluster, and premium dual-tone paint schemes. The bike's overall stance pays homage to the 80s icon while fitting perfectly into the aesthetic of today's urban riders. Engine and performance, classic power, modern efficiency. While the old RX 100 was known for its two-stroke engine, Yamaha has reimagined this legend with a brand new 125cc single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine that complies with BS7 emission norms. It delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency, producing around 15 horsepower with crisp throttle response. Yamaha claims it can go from 0 to 60 km/h in just under 6 seconds, keeping that pocket rocket DNA alive. Features and technology. The 2025 RX 100 isn't just about power and looks, it's packed with smart features too. Riders get Bluetooth connectivity, navigation assist, USB charging, and dual-channel ABS for added safety. The suspension setup has also been refined, offering a smooth and confident ride even on rough roads. Yamaha has clearly designed this bike to appeal to both nostalgic fans and a new generation of riders. Price, launch, and final thoughts. Expected to be priced around ₹1.25 lakh, ex-showroom, the new RX 100 is set to hit showrooms in early 2025. With its retro charm and modern upgrades, Yamaha's revival of this classic is bound to dominate the streets once again. So, what do you think about the new Yamaha RX 100? Will it live up to its legendary name? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Vibe for more exciting auto updates.